Welcome back to my channel, guys. Previews and vlogs. My name is Paul. Today I'm unboxing the Apple Watch Series 4 with cellular. And then we're going to do a quick comparison with the Apple Watch Series 3 that I've been using for a year. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so here we go. So like always, Apple has the nice packaging for them, the white box here. Now I did just get the aluminum version of it. I did not go all out and get the ceramic or the stainless steel. I've always got the aluminum and I've been pretty good with those. I put them in cases and I don't have any issues with them being scratched or anything like that. This is new. Nice way of packaging that one. That's actually pretty cool there. Gives you all the colors of the bands, different colors of the watch as well. That's actually pretty cool. This is something new that I did not get with the last three versions of this watch. That, of course, here is going to be the band, I believe. So we'll open that up. Over to the side there. Let's see what we got in here. Of course, we got the band. You got two different bands here. We got a medium to large and a small to medium band. About it. Of course, it shows you how to put everything on, the instructions and all that good stuff there. And then, of course, you got the watch itself in here. So, okay, so now the watch before used to come laid out with the band on it already. And this one, they're giving me the watch separate. And there's the watch there. It's nice, kind of like a suede packaging, suede cover on this. It's actually pretty neat the way they package this one up now. The actual display, or I should say the crown, is got that red ring like you guys have seen probably already in other unboxing videos and even in Apple's keynotes. Like the old one, which had that display there. So, and of course we got a new charger for it, which I already have one, and the charging brick. That's pretty much what comes in the case. Let's see what's in this one here. And of course we got the instructions how to set everything up and everything. Of course I'm aware of this. I already know how to do all this. For you guys out there, if you guys want to see a video on how to set up your Apple Watch, go ahead and put some comments on my put some comments in there. I will go ahead and show you guys how to set that up. But that's pretty much it. Let's take this off its case here, push it out of here, and turn it on. So there you have it, guys. Of course, I want to start pairing to my phone at this point, but I'm not gonna do that just right now. I will have another video with a comparison between this watch and my Apple Watch coming up here in the next day or so. So that was just a quick unboxing of what comes in the box, how the box shows up. It actually is thinner. I will say that, I'll give you that much. And of course the bottom piece here is completely different than my watch. So give me a few days here and I will come back with another video and showing you guys and giving you guys the comparison and how it feels and the big difference between both watches. So stay tuned to my video. And again, thanks for watching this one. Again, this was just a quick video of unboxing the watch, how it comes in the box and what's in it. So subscribe to my channel, please. Give a like if you want to keep watching more of these videos. I appreciate everybody that's supporting me so far. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you and take care.